Hey everyone, welcome to my Java tutorial series. I'm Surajpal, a Java developer. In this series, I will teach you a Java from scratch in a simple and easy way. If you are a beginner, then this is a perfect place to start. Today, we will cover what is Java, why should you learn Java, setting up Java like JDK and Eclipse IDE, and we will run the first program like Hello World. After that, here's the introduction. Now, we will start. What is Java? Java is one of the most popular programming language in the world. It is object oriented, platform independent, and widely used in web development, mobile apps, and enterprise application. Java follows the write once, run anywhere (WORA) principles, which means you can write Java code on one system and run it on another without modification. Now, the question arises, why learn Java? Java is used in companies like Google, Amazon, Netflix, and many more. It's beginner friendly and great for coding interviews. If you are looking to become a software developer, Java is great choice. Now let's start installing Java, JDK and Eclipse.
And here, first we have to download the JDK download. Go to the official website Oracle. And here you have to select Windows. And then here you have to download this x64 MSI installer. Just click on the link and it will start downloading. Since I have already downloaded, so I'm not going to download it again. And then download Eclipse. Eclipse download for Windows. Okay. Here, Eclipse. This is also official site. It is very easy to install JDK and Eclipse. You just need to click the download button and it will start downloading. I'm downloading 8664. Here this is Windows 64.exe and just click on the button download. And then download will be started. And nothing you have to do after downloading, you just install it JDK and Eclipse. After this, we will check by opening cmd command prompt like JDK version. So now I'm using Java version 22.0.2. I'm going to exit it. After that, so right now my JDK is properly installed. Now we will open Eclipse. I will browse and go for another folder. I will create one folder. In that folder, I will write all the, like I have created one first.
My first Java program. will select this folder and I will launch. Like this way you will get. This is my Eclipse and this is my welcome page. So right now I don't need this welcome page, so I'm closing it, and here are my project explorer. So when you installing, this is actually a Java EE Enterprise Edition, and if you are installing, then please select Java Enterprise application, because further it will help to write program in Spring Boot and all. So now we are going to create a simple hello world program. So for that I'm going to select project, Java project, and we have to write project name first, Java program. Right now we don't have to create module info, and finish it. Remember my decision, I don't want this. So here my project, first project. Here are packages for the JRE system library, and here this package SRC package. So whatever we will write code, I will write in this SRC package only. So first of all I will create one package, new package. Package name would be com dot first Java. This is my first package. In this package I'm going to create new class. We will discuss it later, what is class and what is method. At this time I will write just simple hello world program. So first Java, this is my class name, and if you need a public static void main, right now if you want automatic that this Eclipse will create, so you should click on this. Otherwise, like I'm going to teach you, so I am disabling it and finishing. So this is my class, this is my package com dot first class, and this is my class, public class. Class is the keyword. When you write class, that means it will indicate that the class name, here is the class name. In this we will write public static void main. Public static void main string args. So in Java, this is the starting point. Every time whatever we will write, it will first execute the main method. So to print any value, we will write system dot out dot println, and now here we are going to write hello world. Control S, save. After that, I'm going to run it. How to run? Just right click, run as Java application. Here's our output. Now I'm going to explain this code, like how we have written the code. Public class, here it is hello world, and I have taken method public static void main string arts system.out.println hello Java. This is hello world, this is class name, and main, this is main method. So what I have said earlier, that Java will first run this method. So in output we will get hello Java. Public class hello world, this is actually a class. This defines a Java class named hello world. This defines Java class named hello world. And this is main method, the main method where execution starts. And system.out.println hello Java. Okay, that's it for today. We have learned what is Java, why it is popular, and wrote our first Java program. In the next video, we will discuss Java variables and data types.